Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fractions together step by step. A fraction is a part of a whole. We'll see equal fractions, compare them, and add fractions that share the same bottom number. 3/4 means 3 out of 4 equal parts. The top number, the numerator, counts the parts taken. The bottom, the denominator, the total equal parts. Equivalent fractions show the same amount in different ways. 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 4/8. Just multiply top and bottom by the same number. When fractions share a denominator, just add the tops. 2/5 plus 1/5 is 3/5. To recap, a fraction is part of a whole. Equivalent fractions scale top and bottom together. And to add like fractions, just add the numerators. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.